Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
The little boy made a promise, but did not suspect that he would fulfill it after the whole 20 years. Preschool crushes are probably the cutest, but they usually stop after preschool, unfortunately. When they were little kids in college, Laura Scheel and Matt Grodsky fell in love at first sight. One of the earliest childhood memories of Matt with Laura dates back to preschool. One of my very first memories is to be 3 years old and stand up in front of my preschool class saying, "I'd get married to her someday," Matt wrote. But after college, when they reconnected through a mutual acquaintance, the lovebirds lost contact in high school before freshman year. Laura and Matt hit it off, and they became sweethearts in high school within 2 weeks. Now, as years have gone by in their long-term relationship, Matt eventually agreed to remain true to his preschool promise. In December 2016, the pair got married. It's like a real-life love story from a fairy tale. Matt Grodsky was 3 years old when he went to the garden and met in his group with Laura Scheel. The kid was so submissive to this girl that he publicly announced that he would certainly marry her. After the important decision was made, Matt began to seek Laura's attention in every possible way. He eventually succeeded, and the couple became almost inseparable. Their parents even preserved touching photographs of that time. But when it was time to go to school, fate ordered differently. Matt and Laura were educated in different institutions. Communication stopped for almost 7 years. But every year, at Christmas, they sent each other greeting cards. Over the years, Matt Grodsky has not forgotten his first love. Thanks to the assistance of their mutual friend, the couple met at a party and decided not to get lost anymore. 2 weeks after this, Laura became officially considered Matt's girlfriend. Their relationship was not prevented even by the fact that they graduated from high school and then colleges in different cities. Matt kept his old promise. Last spring, he made an offer to Laura. Having said that they were going on a picnic, Matt brought her to the site of the same kindergarten, where he voiced his cherished desire. Of course, Laura said yes. Even with modern technology, making it easy to connect to people within seconds, 20 weeks without physically seeing each other seemed far too long. After that, they made sure it would not happen again. They came up with a system of how they would make it work. Scheel and Grodsky created a schedule for when they would see each other, making sure it was often enough. They also spoke every day and even wrote letters to keep their relationship strong.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.